Hi guys, today I'm making tomato puree that I want to stock up in the fridge. This is one nkata of tomato and I'm adding it oshombo with my natural mixed spice. This is turmeric, cinnamon and ginger. That's the two ingredients that I mix. So I'll pour it inside the mixture now. But first of all, I'll pour the oshombo. And I'll mix everything together. That's how I like making my tomato puree. I'm going to mix all of them now so that everything will boil together. It's very nice. It can stay up to 2 months in my refrigerator and it will still be fresh and yummy whenever I use it to make stew, jollof. I also use it to make indomie too. It's very nice, very good. So guys, thank you for tuning in to our channel. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. Thank you. Bye bye.